Hi guys, this tutorial is on how to natively integrate Google Analytics version 3 within an iOS application, and I'll be using Xcode5. So first I'll open Safari and we'll type just Analytics in Google, and this first link here. Okay, if you have a Google Analytics account, just log in. Otherwise, create an account. Okay, loading, and then we go to admin. Under accounts, we go create a new account. Now, our new account is going to be for an app, and that's for an iOS app or Android app. Use the same tab, and we go. I'm going to call this account, and my app, I'm going to call it my demo app, and I'm going to use the same name for the account name, and you can play with this information that you submit to Google. We go track, get tracking ID, accept the policy, and success. We have a tracking ID issued by Google, this one here. Alright, now once you do that, you can download the SDK for Google Analytics for iOS, just here, or this one here is for the SDK including the implementation for AdMob for ads advertising, if you want to incorporate that within the app with the tracking. Now I've already downloaded that, so I'm going to leave that here. We'll open a new tab, and here we're going to go to we're just going to type Google Analytics iOS, and first link here that we get is going to tell us, take us straight to the screen where again you can download the same package that we had before. You can download it from here as a second alternative, but with this is what we're after here. Read get started guide, which I've already read this, that's why I made a tutorial. So guys, open this up, and it's so much easier to just copy and paste a few things that Google gives us. So first we're going to create an app. You probably already have one, so that's why you're here, and we're gonna have to import all these header files in the library to our project. So from the package that we downloaded, after that we're gonna add these libraries to our project, and that's a few more things to do. So let's get started. I'm going to put this on a side, and we'll open Xcode. This is the package. This is how it looks like once you download it. Xcode. We start a new start a new project. I'm going to shrink it a bit so it fits on the screen. Alright, for this tutorial I'll use a tabbed application, and I'll call it my demo app. Next, yes, for this video I'll save it on the desktop. And here we are. Project is built. Next, I'm going to change this target to 6.0, so it goes to 6.0 and above. Alright, now I'm going to select these supporting files, and we're going to add those header files to our project. add files to my demo app. From here we go to desktop, and on the desktop we have our package. Alright, so all these header files we're gonna highlight or select, and also this one, also this one too. So that's all what we need to import: the GAI.h, GAI dictionary builder, GAI fields, logger, tracking view controller, and tracker. We've got 7 files here, and we're gonna tick this box here. So we copy the items from the folder that we downloaded onto our into our app supporting files, so then we can delete the folder that we downloaded from Google, and we won't have any issues with things disappearing. So that's it. We go add, and here we've got all the files that are here. Next we're gonna go on to my demo app. We'll select this target here, and as you can see, Google already, Xcode5 already added this library here, but we need a few more libraries for this project. So we need core data framework, okay, and also system configuration framework, and one last thing that we need is libs.dy, the last one, dylib. We add that to the project, and we're cool with that. So that's all we need to import, and that's all the frameworks that we need to add to our project. Next we're gonna go to appdelegate.m. Here, right under this import, we'll import GAI.h, and while we're here, I'm gonna bring the Safari back here. We need, okay, we go to, that's what we've done. We added header files to the project, we added the libraries, the frameworks and some libraries to the project, and now we're gonna add these bits here under did finish launching with options. I'm gonna move that on the side. So here we are, we're under the app delegate. This is the M file under did finish launching with options. Just before the return, we can paste this lines that Google gave us. Now, as you can notice, we have a little warning, just that this tracker hasn't been, this variable tracker hasn't been used yet. So to get rid of that, we're just going to type GAI shared instance dot default tracker equal tracker, and we get rid of that warning. Next we're gonna go to, that's all what we need to do with, well actually let's do it now. We'll change this to our actual ID that we got from Google, which was just here. And we're finishing with the app delegate implementation. Okay, we'll save that. App delegate done. Next, I'm going to go to the storyboard quickly. So here we've got we've got the tabbed application. We've got two view controllers, first view, second view, just to be a bit more visible, to make a bit more sense. We're just gonna make this one red, and we'll call it red view. And the second one here, we're going to make it blue, and we'll call it blue view. Blue view. Okay. Alright. So we've got the red view and the blue view. So the first view controller, that's the red view. Now into first view control class, the .h file, we have to import GAI track view controller.h, GAI track view controller.h, and we have to change, at the moment first view controller extends UI view controller. I'm going to copy that bit there, GAI track view controller, and we're going to change it so it extends the GAI track view controller instead of view controller, UI view controller. That's all what we need to do on this header file. We'll do the same for the second view controller. We're gonna go whoopee, import the header file, and we're gonna make it so it extends. We're just gonna do the same thing to this one. Alright, done with the header files. Next, in the first view controller.m, now Google suggests us to put it under view did appear, but if you have a project a bit more involved, it just, for some reason, it was working just every second time. It just wasn't working properly, putting it under view did appear. So I just put it on the view did load, and it just worked like a charm. So you might want to put it on the view did load, or it's your choice, but this is where I know on the view did load, on the super view did load, we're going to put self dot screen name equals this string, which we're going to call this view. We're going to call this is the first view controller, so we made the first view controller red, so we're going to call it red screen. You can call yours however you like, to identify which controller is the visitors are onto. Copy that, we go to second view controller.m, we do the same thing, just going to paste it here, and we'll change this one is the second view controller. It's actually the blue screen. And guys, we're done with the implementation. That's all we needed to do. I'm going to quickly bring this one here, customize it a bit so we can get to see what we're doing. So issue. Oh. Okay, come on. All mobile data. Alright, so we go under real-time screens, and screen views last 30 minutes. Now we can hide this sidebar, and we'll make this a bit smaller. Okay. We'll build and run. Build started. So we should open onto the red screen, and as soon as it opens in within 3 seconds we should get this hit coming up here showing us that someone's on the red screen. Who might it be? I don't know. A user. And here we are, a red screen. And well, 3 seconds after the, here we go, that's one hit, and updates to right now 1 visitor, and red screen tells us someone's on the red screen. Hello, version 1.0. That's the version of the app. So we go on to the second screen, which is the blue screen. We should then see another hit coming up. Here we go, and should add a blue screen here. So someone's on the blue screen, and we go, someone's on the red, someone's on the blue. The user went to red, the user went to blue, and red, blue, red, blue. Someone's playing games with my app. Leave it alone. So that's, here we go. That shows us all the data. Tick, 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 tick. Yep, that's it. That's all, folks. Hope you like this tutorial, and good luck tracking what everyone does on your app. And yeah, thanks guys.